Hi, Blizzard. Let me show your mommy your new pretty collar. The pink is very pretty. We'll see Rose in his bed. Hi, bud. Can we see your collar? Hi, sweet boy. Let me turn you toward me so I can see you. Very handsome. Hi, Alexia Kitty Trunsko with Rose and Blizzard. So the kitties have their new collars on and their weights look pretty good. We were able to weigh them in a carrier today, so we'll go check out their chart. Let's see. So Rose is only down about 2 ounces or so from check-in, and Blizzard is actually up quite a bit. I don't know how exactly, but it looks like she's up over a pound. We did the math several times, so she might just be eating a lot more than normal. We had 2 poops yesterday, so I'm thinking everybody's pooping, and we've got some peas in there too. So they seem to be doing really well. Kitty Mel.